Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we are going to learn another new function in MS Excel, and that's the text join function. Actually, the text join function it is used to combine multiple text from different cells or different cell range and combine it into one using a delimiter. It will have a delimiter. Either it can be a comma, inverted comma, or semicolon, anything like that. It can have a delimiter. Okay, so we'll be comparing multiple data into a single cell data. Okay, so I will show you how we can do it. So here we have an example. We have name, a small table called name. It has names like Amit, Anil, Salim, Preeti. So I want to combine all these names into a single cell, and it should be separated by a comma and a space. Okay, so I will show you how we can do that with the text join function in MS Excel. So I will just write that formula over. I'm taking the cell D3 here. I'm just typing the formula here. The formula starts with equal sign, then text join. Okay, text join function is there. Then we have to put the delimiter like in inverter comma. In inverter, my delimiter is comma followed by a space. Okay, that's my separation between each names in these different columns. So I am closing the inverted comma, then again comma. Then we have to the condition here, true or false. If we put true, it will ignore empty cells. Okay, if there are any empty cells in the range, it will ignore that. Okay, so I'm putting it true and again comma. Then select the range which you want to join. Select the range which you want to join into a single cell. So I am selecting from B3 to B12 and closing the comma, closing the bracket. Click on the enter. See, everything is here. All the cells, all the different cell data has been combined into a single cell data separated by a comma and space. Okay, so that's it. How we can join multiple cell data into a single cell. So I hope you enjoyed this small tip from MS Excel. So if you enjoyed this, please like this video and share it with your friends, and also provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and also while subscribing, please click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new videos onto this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye and have a great day.